So today we are doing an experiment, and what you need is a tall glass, some vegetable oil, some food coloring, any color would work, some water, and an Alka-Seltzer tablet. First thing you do is you pour in the vegetable oil. You use about that much.
That's a lot more than ours.
Mm-hmm. And you pour in some water. If you notice, the water is separated and heavier than the oil.
I can really see your water.
And then what you're gonna do, you go ahead, guys, start dropping
Oh, that was like the tablet first.
color into your glass. Look at these. They're turning into little balls that are just staying in the bottom, floating in there.
Why won't mine come up? I need help. Mine won't come up.
How much do you use?
And just keep putting drops in. You want to fill up the bottom as much as you can with drops.
Mine won't come undone. Squirt.
See that? There's lots of little balls inside there now. Look at that.
It's empty. It is just right at the bottom.
Just want to put in as much as you can because you want all these little balls to fill up the bottom of the glass.
You gonna use all the food coloring or?
I think that looks good. Now, what we're going to do once everybody's ready,
Oh my gosh.
look at everybody's got some in there. Emily, you should really add a lot more.
What? Why is mine so bad?
You won't get the full effect if you don't have enough in there.
Mm-hmm. How does that work?
How about that?
Don't spin it, David.
How about that?
You want to keep those balls in there. You don't want to have too much of it having popped inside there.
That good?
Now you're going to add your Alka-Seltzer.
Ow.
And then just watch. Isn't that cool?
Oh, wow.
Mine's fizzing up.
Big purple bubble.
It just keeps on going. Let's look at everybody's.
I feel like I put
Oh, look at the red one.
I feel like mine's gonna overflow.
David, do you want to move yours closer?
Mom, we're getting moist.
That's fine. Oh, look at Casey's. She went with a pink color.
Mine's not doing well.
Yours is still working though. Look at that. The blue is still dropping and going up.
The tablet's right there though. It went up.
And that is our cool science experiment of the day.